Merry Christmas and welcome to day 11 of the 12 tools of Christmas. And today we're going to be talking about Slack. It's like email and Messenger on steroids, but for your business. And it's what we use with our clients to make sure that communication is nice and seamless and works with everyone.
Slack is essentially a chat room for your whole company. It's designed to replace email as your primary method of communication and sharing. Its workspaces allows you to organize communications by channels for group discussions and allow private messages too to share information, files, and a whole lot of other things. We use Slack to communicate with all our contractors, assistants, and we also use it for clients too. Because I've said it once and I'll say it again, email is not my forte. It doesn't even look very pretty. At least Slack looks pretty.
So we hope you enjoyed the video and make sure if you do use the tool to comment below and let us know how you went with it. Make sure you check us out on all of the social medias and the Facebooks. And if you have any questions, you can just DM us or let us know in the meantime. All right, hope you have a Merry Christmas and check out tomorrow for another tool. 12 Tools of Christmas. I actually quite like the name. Bye.